Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's alright. Today I'm going to clean up my gas stoves pot burners because they was a bit greasy and dirty, so I thought I should clean them today. So while I was cleaning up the gas, what I do first, I leave some hot water, fill up my sink with the hot water and put those stands up, burner, gas stands, pot stands. I put them in the hot water and I just fill them up until they're all soaked in the water. So now I'm gonna put some washing powder in there and some lemon, and I'm gonna put fairy liquid, washing liquid, dishwash liquid there. So with that, what's gonna happen is this grease is gonna be dissolved a little bit and it's gonna be very easy for me to clean it. This is what I do in the night time, and I soak in the hot water, and next day in the morning I clean them. So this is what I'm putting on is elbow grease. This is for grease, very good. I love this. It takes off all of the grease from the floor or any marbles or tables, because we got marble tables at home, all worktops, everything is marble, that's why. So I'm gonna leave in more hot water until they are fully soaked in the water. And this was the morning time when I cleaned up, so I didn't have time. I only soaked it for half an hour, and after half an hour when I scrubbed it come out actually nice. You will see the results at the end of the video. And if you like, please share, like and subscribe for me, please. And guys, tell me please if I make the video right, or do you like it or not? Please let me know. Thank you. Bye.